in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Tonight, we gather as one NM-RAA, forging a legacy, victory through fair play and integrity. Welcome to Tudela
National Comprehensive High School SPA Recital presenting Puhon at Sanduro 2025. It is our pleasure and honor to be your MCs for tonight. I am Noel J. S. Pahaya.
And I am Christine Jane J. Balasi, and we will be guiding you through this meaningful and exciting event.
Mom Jane, do you know what is the meaning of Sandurot?
What is it, Sir Jane?
Well, Sandurot is a Visayan word meaning fellowship and gathering. It perfectly embodies the spirit of this event.
Wow, so it is indeed perfect for the spirit of this event.
Yes.
So tonight, we are not just gathered as athletes, coaches, guests, but also as family, honoring our roots, embracing diversity, and igniting the fire of sports excellence.
Yes, and we are honored to have such distinguished guests, respected officials, dedicated educators, and talented performers joining us tonight.
First, we are honored to have our Honorable Mayor of Tudela, Honorable Mayor Samuel L. Palomino, as represented by his Secretary, Mr. Nicanor Balazo.
Our Honorable Vice Mayor of Tudela, Vice Mayor Stella O. Stanio.
Mayor of Don Victoriano, Honorable Mayor Bertoldo I. Moralion.
Vice Mayor of Don Victoriano, Honorable Elmer M. Pondara.
Board members, Attorney Henry Stanio. Board member Nemesio Lahay-Lahay. And board member Calvin Tito Decena. We are also honored to have the representatives coming from the municipality of Bonifacio and Don Victoriano. The SB members of Tudela: Arsenio Singhidas,
Rosito Dampuo,
Ma'am Marites Mixdon,
Joel Bojungan,
and Sir Felix Balaes. We would also like to welcome tonight the SDS from Cagayan de Oro City, Sir Roy Angelo Gazo.
We are also honored to have with us the visionary leaders in the field of education. Dr. Rinaldo E. Manuel Jr., PhD, Cesar 5 Schools Division Superintendent.
Assistant Superintendent from Cagayan de Oro City, Mr. Audi S. Bordes. And let us not also forget the ASME member of IPMR, Mr. Tani S. Lumbay. We would also like to welcome the school heads and teachers in Tudela District, headed by our district supervisor, Mr. Ray Balwarte.
The Tudela National Comprehensive High School faculty and staff, headed by Ma'am Merites D. Rodriguez, Secondary School Principal 1.
Guest,
the official delegates all the way from Cagayan de Oro City Risers.
Parents
and students,
thank you for gracing us
with your presence in this event.
So sit back, relax, and let's make this evening unforgettable. To set the tone, let's start with a soulful and harmonious performance from the Tundacas SBA Vocal Arts.
Let's give them a round of applause. Thank you, everyone, and please be seated.
Before we proceed, we would like to acknowledge the presence of Ma'am Juliet Catalon, Supervisor of Don Victoriano and Bonifacio.
And now to officially welcome us all to this momentous event, let us hear from esteemed Principal 2 of Tudela Central School, Ma'am Veronica D. Bahite.
Let us give her a warm round of applause.
My due respect to our working governor of Misamis Occidental, Attorney Henry A. Suaminal, Vice Governor Rowena Wing Gutierrez, our provincial board members in attendance, our ever-supportive local officials, headed by Mayor Samuel Pangino, Vice Mayor Estela Chacha Ogo Pistaño, with our SB members, our partner local officials of Don Victoriano and Bonifacio, our dynamic and workaholic schools division superintendent, Dr. Nado E. Manuel Jr., CESO 5, our partner district supervisor, Ma'am Juliet Catalon, and to our very own District Supervisor of Tudela, Sir Ray V. Balwarte. School heads from Don Victoriano, Bonifacio, and Tudela District, to our guests in Cagayan de Oro City, headed by Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Roy Angelo Gazo, CESO 5, Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Odi S. Flores, SGOD Chief, Dr. Rosario R. Torello, with his assistant, Dr. Romeo B. Acro. From CDOC local officials, headed by Honorable Mayor Rolando Clarix Oy and Party, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant greetings to each of you. On behalf of Tudela Central School, it is with great joy and warmth that we welcome you all. We are truly honored to have you here with us, and we hope that your stay will be filled with meaningful connections, wonderful experiences, and cherished memories. Tudela Central School is not just a place of learning, but also a home of hospitality and camaraderie. And we are excited to share our culture and community with you. May this welcome party, the Sanduro 2025, be a celebration of friendship, unity, and the spirit of togetherness. Please enjoy the activities we have prepared, and feel free to let us know how we can make your visit even more comfortable and memorable. We hope this marks the beginning of lasting bond between our communities. From the bottom of the heart of every Tudilanhon, we sincerely say, Sa Tudela, Gigug Maka. Thank you and enjoy your stay. And big Sa Tudela, Gigug Maka. Thank you, Ma'am Bahite, for that warm and inspiring welcome.
So before we proceed, let us extend our heartfelt welcome to our guests, all the way from the city of Golden Friendship. Can we hear from the city of Misers?
Let's give them a warm round of applause and make them feel the spirit of Sanduro 2025. Again, welcome, city of Misers.
Wow, that was indeed an energy.
of Cagayan de Oro Division, Sir Roy Angelo Gaso, sir, who happens to be the first cousin of Estees Manuel. So it runs in the blood. All the dignitaries of DepEd Cagayan de Oro and DepEd Misamis Occidental, bili na lang itong tagsa-tagsaon. My colleagues in public service, representing our beloved Governor Henry S. Waminan, our 3 provincial board members, Honorable Henry Estanio, Honorable Nemesio Lailay, and Honorable Calvin Desina. Of course, our counterpart from the municipality of Don Victoriano, the Honorable Mayor Bertoldo Moraleon, the Honorable Vice Mayor Elmer Bundara, o kauban sa iyahang mga sangguniang bayan members, akong mga kauban ng mga officials sa atong lungsod sa Tudela, from our Honorable Mayor Samuel Il Palomino, whom I represent tonight. Si Mayor Samuel, he's on medical leave, but kanunay siya in touch sa preparation sa atoang, especially sa atong hosting dili sa municipality of Tudela. Of course, sa atoang Tudakos family, faculty and management leaded by Ma'am Meritis Rodriguez, the students, parents, all the delegation from Cagayan de Oro, usa ka kainiton pag-welcome kaninyo gikan from the home of Ascenso. No, welcome to Misamis Occidental and welcome to the municipality of Tudela. I believe this is the first time of the municipality of Tudela to be hosting athletes from the Region 10, from the whole region, who will not only be competing but have now to showcase your skills and abilities in the various sports events, celebrating sportsmanship, dedication, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. We are all aware that each athlete here has worked tirelessly, putting in countless hours of training and commitment. And here, starting tonight and the following days, will be the moment where all of your hard work comes to life. This year's theme, One in Imraa, forging legacy, encourages you, athletes, to be victorious through fair play and integrity. A very important virtue that every athlete must possess, regardless of the outcome, whether you win or lose. And remember that every single step, every jump, every throw, and every race you take is a testament to your perseverance and passion. And may you all demonstrate what true sportsmanship is all about. Whether you're here to break records, achieve personal best, or simply enjoy the competition, know that this event is a celebration of you and your incredible abilities. To the parents, coaches, and supporters who were always there to give their unwavering encouragement and believe in these athletes, you have a very crucial role in their journey, and today is as much a celebration of your dedication as it is most importantly, respect. So let's keep that spirit alive throughout the meet and as we cheer each other on and create memories that will last a lifetime. Noteworthy also to mention na sa ang pagka-host sa Misamis Occidental and in the case of the municipality of Tutela, we are so grateful na through the NMRA, we also unite the people of Tutela, especially those in government service. From the DepEd family, as well as the LGU, gikan sa top officials, angkot sa mga empleyado, angkot sa mga kabarangayan, we are all united in order to provide you the best experience in Misamis Occidental. So, I therefore thank everyone who gave your time and effort from this preparation of the venue, the accommodation of the athletes, Tudela Central School, DepEd family, salamat, including the security, personnel, and everyone, the barangay captains, working committees, and all those who are involved for the eventual success of this year's Palarong Pangko. It is a marching order sa ang provincial governor na we will let you experience the Asenso brand of accommodation. Asenso, it's that the brand of governance and leadership as well as it is a vision of Misamis Occidental that state the quality of life na ako ang ipangandod, maasinso ang among katauhan na wala may gusto maipabati ninyo and towards that dream na ang kaming mga Misamis nun and pinapababati na ako ninyo mga bisita na magpuyong, malinawon, malambon o malipayon. So lastly, to all of you athletes, give your best, have fun, and most importantly, enjoy every moment. We will be excited to watch you perform, and we are proud of each of you for being part of this incredible event. You are all welcome to our humble municipality, and I hope you enjoy your stay. Mayang gabi, napamusalan.
Thank you so much, Honorable Vice Mayor Stella Olmos-Tanio, for
Honorable NCB Istanyo, Honorable Calvin Piscina, and Honorable Nemesio Lahay-Lahay. Of course, Panato, representing the Honorable Mayor of Tudela, Samuel Palomino, kinunabati ganiya, si Vice Mayor Estila Istanyo. Inubanan sa mga bayan members sa Tudela. Ato sa i-greet ang municipal officials of Don Victoriano, headed by Honorable Mayor Bertoldo Moralion, represented by Honorable Elmel Condara, Vice Mayor, and of course, ang ilang mga sanggunian bayan members. O karon, tugutin ko ninyo pa-greet, no? Sa pinaka-gwapo na Public Schools District Supervisor sa Tibok, Misamis Occidental. Gawas nga gwapo ni siya, gwapo po ni Santiago. Atong taktakan, si Ray Baluarte. Atong patinogon. Thank you kayo, Ray. Inabanan sa imong tanan, all force ng mga administrators, o sa mga gwapa kayo, mga assurance na ito dire. Murag ko na ginamilok ni taga-Cagayan de Oro pagsayaw ganiya. Laro kayo. Thank you, Ray, for your strong support. And, of course, ako i-greet ang Superintendent sa Cagayan de Oro City. Ako isang idol, sa batong gamay ko. Wailain, ako ikagaw, first cousin, Roy, ang ilang kaso at ang takpakan. Maayaw po rin sa bukanta, maayaw mo sayaw, kung sa akong talent, tumingking lang ko niyan. And of course, ako i-greet ang pinakagwapo na Assistant Schools Division Superintendent sa entire Region 10 at ang takpakan, Odi Boris. Dapat hindi mo nang malimtan ang pinakagwapo na Isyo Dipsik sa Region 10 nga ulit. Wailahin from Cagayan de Oro City, Rosalio Pedorelio. Inabanan sa iyang sikan-sikan kagwapo na Assistant Isyo Dipsik, Romeo Aglo. Pagpagan na ito. Upan po niya kanila ang atong budget officer. Bangkiita niya siya kayo. Akong utang niya, ako yun kayo sa iyang mga legal advice. Nagkini siya, niabot na inyong Supreme Court. Kung na may Google yung alan, makita ninyo na ay desisyon ng Supreme Court. Nagpahil isang petition, nagadaw siya. Wailain, Mr. Romel Valiente. Pagpagan na to, hapit na ni mo retire. Punta, di pa ni mo retire, kaya na mo nagtabang sa defense. Ato po recognize ang atong assistant siya i-chief, Wailain. Ang gwapa si Dr. J.K. Arnejo, o ba ni Dr. Charlene Bailon, o ang atong medical officer, gwapo gyapon ni Baldomero Mark Meso. O sa tanan na Cagayan de Oro na, pasaylo ako. Ako itong nailan na mong dimensyon. Mayang gabi at welcome sa mong tanan. Gabiha sa pagipulong ni Vice Mayor Estela Istanyo, niingon siya na ang pangarap sa tagapi sa Misdon, muasenso. Dayon namin itawag na mantra na 5Ms. Pasabot nga na, sa Misdon, magkuyang malinawon, malangbuon, o malipayon. But, kung sa magyuding asenso, kung sa magyuding 5Ms, tagay ko ninyo gamay lang na sharing kay inspirational message maninig, i-assign na ko tayo ang keynote speaker. So, i-allow ko ninyo pag-discuss gamay kung sa ning plano, mantra o vision sa among pinanggang governor. Naay article gisulat ang former Central Bank Governor si Benjamin Jokno. Ang title sa article, Philippine Fiscal Behavior in Recent Decades. Isulat ni Jokno nga kada presidente sa Pilipinas na siya ay pet project, na siya ay program. Si President Marcos Sr. i-focus siya sa infrastructure. Pag puli sa dahil ng Presidente, President Aquino, iyang i-focus more on restructuring the Constitution. Dayon, niabot si President Ramos, iyang focus more on economic build-up. Nipuli si President Arroyo, focus niya po niya ending poverty. And eventually, si President Aquino, iyang focus is about the conduit, stop corruption. Ang pagpuli ni President Duterte, kabalot na sa iyang programa na build, build, build. And now, with our current administration, natay itawag na bagong Pilipinas. It's more on economic recovery and getting our people out of poverty. So ito makita na ilahay nga Presidente, na ilahay nga priority. Pero sa amo, diri sa Misamis Occidental, ang programa sa among gobernador, Asenso, or kanang Misamis doon, magpuyong, malipayon, malanggoon, o malinawon, it encompasses everything. Kung mayon kang infrastructure, kung musuroy mo karon sa among mga kalsada, among mga building, among mga mihura, sila makita, ang dako kayo mga improvement. Kung mayon na karon agriculture, itaas ang among output, among product, kamot sa suporta sa mga farmers. Kung mayon na kayo karon Human Development Index, ato makita na ang focus sa health, education, itaas. So kung inyong tanawon, nila makita, pag-abot ni Governor Henry, ang Misamis Occidental before, makonsidered siya na one of the poorest provinces in the country. But recently, nakikipagawa sa atong Philippine Information Agency, as a result of our research, Misamis Occidental is now number 15 pa ito, hindi ko masayok, as one of the most competitive provinces in the Philippines. Muna na itabo. But this happened in just a matter of 3 years na pagdumala ni Governor Henry. So kung makutana mo sa Misamis doon karon, katong kayo ni Vice Mayor Isanyo, mapati naging sa katawan ang improvement. Siguro makutana mo mga bata, kung sa man sa amo ang asenso. Kung sa man amo makuha niya, kung sa amo makutlo, pag mayroon nag-asenso. So makutana mo ninyo, kung sa man in English sa asenso. Asenso, kasagaran, tubang nila, progress, development. But for me, personally for us, kung mayroon kang asenso, it is about seeking the next level. You seek the next level in your life. If you are an organization, what's the next level that is in store for you in your organization? Let me share to you a thought from Jordan Peterson. Kailan mo ni Jordan Peterson? At nakatama ko na niyang giingon. So yun ni Jordan Peterson, in life, every one of us know, we have to move from point A to point B. From point A to point B. And often, a point A is a place where the situation is difficult. Murag lisod ng point A. So therefore, kinahanglan na madto sa point B. Lisod siya because sometimes we feel that we are fragile. We are limited and we are mortal. And you know, this implies that for some people, life is suffering. Ang kinabuhi is about kalisod yun, no? Makita na ingon sa ubang religion nga, to live is to suffer, which is true. But if you take the mentality of Asenso, according to our governor, pwede mo ma-improve ang sitwasyon sa imong kinabuhi. Kung saan man, it is by pursuing things of value. Always find value in everything that you do, so you will seek the next level. If there is no value in what you do, there is no reason, for you to go to the next level. You will still remain in your difficult condition. According to the philosopher Nietzsche, he who has a why to live can bear anyhow. And therefore, people with no purpose, ang mga tao, walay purpose, walay target, pili sila masinso. And you can only find meaning, you can only improve your condition if you look for responsibilities that have value. So for me, that is beauty. There is beauty in seeking the next level. There is beauty in improving yourselves. There is beauty in doing things that can help you improve your school, your organization, and your province. And believe me, the best thing in life to do is to look and seek for beauty. Because accordingly, a thing of beauty is a joy forever. Thank you very much. Good evening, and now, mga sinso ng tanan.